Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to delegate responsibilities to team members and keep track of project deadlines all within your email platform. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and data. This initial loading is important because it ensures that all your contact information and settings are properly synced before you begin creating tasks. Once everything is loaded, navigate to the Home menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. Click on the Home tab to access the main set of options. This is where you'll find most of the features you need for day-to-day email management and task creation. Within the Home menu, look for the New Item dropdown. This is your gateway to creating various types of content in Outlook, from emails to appointments. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Task. This will open up a dedicated task window where you can customize every detail of the task you're about to assign. Now you'll see several fields that need to be filled in. Start with the Subject field, which is where you'll enter a clear description of what the task involves. Next, set the start date to indicate when work on this task should begin. You'll also see a status field where you can mark the current state of the task, a due date to set the deadline, and a priority level to indicate how urgent this task is. Take your time filling these in accurately, as this information will help the person you're assigning the task to understand exactly what's expected. Once you've configured all the details, click on the Assign Task button located at the top part of your screen. You'll notice that a To field suddenly appears. This is where you'll designate who will be responsible for completing this task. Simply enter the email contact of the person you wish to assign this task to. You can type their name if they're already in your contacts, or enter their full email address. After entering the recipient's information, click Send. The person will receive a notification about this task assignment along with all the details you've entered, including the subject, dates, and priority level. They'll be able to accept or decline the task, and you'll be notified of their response. And there you have it. You've successfully assigned a task in Outlook, making it easier to delegate work and track progress across your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.